Hello students, welcome back to our class. So in today's class we are going to see 2.8, that is exponents and radicals. We are going to see exponents and radicals. So let us see 2.8.1, that is exponents. So in your book they have given some introduction. Let n belongs to capital N. Let n be a number from a natural number and a be a number from the real numbers. Then a power n can be written as a into a till n times. N times the a is multiplied, right? If m is a negative integer and real number a is, if let us m, it is a negative integer. If m is a negative integer and a is not equal to 0 means we can write that a power m is equal to 1 divided by a power minus m. Suppose 2 power minus 1 means this can be written as 1 divided by 2 power minus of minus 1, that is 1. Same wise 2 power 1 can be written as 1 divided by 2 power minus 1. This is what this institutes, that is this implies this. Okay, 2 power minus 1 எப்படி எழுதலாம், 1 divided by 2 power 1, 2 power 1 எப்படி எழுதலாம், 1 divided by 2 power minus 1 எழுதலாம், அதுதான் இங்கே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. Okay, and here also see here a divided by a, this can be written as a, this is a power 1, this is also a power 1, a power 1 when this comes this side a power minus 1. Okay, so இது ரெண்டுமே base 1 இருக்கும்போது we can combine, right? a power 1 minus 1 is equal to a power 0. Anything power 0 is 1, right? a divided by a is 1. So this is how it is implied. Okay, now see some properties they have given, properties of exponents. So what are the properties they have given? If m and n belongs to integer and a does not equal to a is not equal to 0 means a power m into a power n can be written as a power m plus this thing, right? a power m plus n. Similarly a power m divided by a power n can be written as a power m minus n. So multipliedல இருந்துச்சுன்னா மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன்ல, அதாவது ஒரு இது பவர்ல இருக்கும்போது அதோட பேஸ் சேமா இருந்துச்சுன்னா, மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன்ல இருந்துச்சுன்னா we can combine the base and the power should be added, and divisionல இருந்துச்சுன்னா we can combine the base and the power should be subtracted. Okay, now let us see what is radicals. Okay, so radical means அதாவது ஒரு ரேஷனல் நம்பரை வச்சு தான் எடுத்திருக்காங்க. a is not equal to 0 and they have taken an r. See here a not equal to 0 and they have taken a rational number r, a power r. Can we define this? They are asking can we define this? Okay, so first since this is a rational number r can be written as 1 divided by anything divided by anything. Okay, so this is a rational number. So here suppose y be any real number, this can be written as y is equal to a power r means 1 divided by n. Okay, a power r means 1 divided by n. So when this power, so this what we can do this, what we can taking root of n on both sides. See here suppose x is equal to 4 power 1 divided by 2 இப்படி இருக்குன்னா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம், taking square root on both sides. So square root எடுக்கும்போது this squaring on both sides, squaring on both sides, squaring on both sides, x square is equal to இதில் square பண்ணும்போது this is gets cancelled, x square is equal to 4. Likewise it comes, right? Therefore இதில் வந்து multiplying by n to that is multiplying by n the power. So powerல multiply பண்ணும்போது what happens, y power n is equal to a into n, it becomes 1. y power n is equal to a. This is how we can find the radicals. Okay, And see here they have given the definition 2.2. For n belongs to n is, if n is even and b greater than 0, then there will be a unique a which is also greater than 0, such that we can write it as a power n is equal to b. Similarly we can write for when n is odd also. For even and odd also we can take a power n is equal to b. Okay, see exponential function, they have given an exponential function. Observe that for any a greater than 0, a power x can be defined. A power x can be defined. Okay, if a is equal to 1 means 1 power x will be equal to I mean 1 power anything will be equal to 1. When 1 is multiplied n times or x times, it becomes 1 only, right? So this is this format is said to be the exponential function. This format is said to be the exponential function, and in the down they have given some properties of exponential function. See that is very important. For a comma b which is greater than 0, a not equal to 1 and b not equal to 1, a power x plus y is equal to a power x into a power y. So this one we have seen here, right? Already we have seen while seeing exponents, right? So that property a power x plus 1, it can be written as a power x into a power y. Similarly, a power x divided by a power y can be written as a power x minus y, and a power x the whole power y can be written as a power x into y, that is multiplied, the powers can be multiplied, and ab the whole power x can be written as a power x into b power x. Okay, and a power x is equal to 1 when the condition is x becomes 0, anything power 0 is 1. So these are the important properties to be noted for doing the sums of the exponential function. Okay, so the very important properties, and they have given some special exponential function. So exponential function up and away first in maths it comes like this: e power x. E power x, e vandhuchunave, that's the exponential function. Okay, in your book we don't have any sums using that special exponential function. We will be using these properties for in your sum. Okay, so just go through this. Okay, now let us see the example. Example 2.31. Simplify. First subdivision they have given: simplify x power 1 divided by 2, y power minus 3, the whole power 1 divided by what they have given, x comma y is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so x power 1, first let us simplify this one. X power 1 divided by 2, y power, we know that y power minus 1 is equal to 1 divided by y. So this can be written as 1 divided by y cube. Minus of minus 3 it becomes y cube. The whole power 1 divided by 3. This can be written as x power 1 by 2 divided by y cube, the whole power 1 divided by 2, 1 divided by 2. Now what you have to do, you have to multiply this with the both numerator and denominator's power. So this becomes x power 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 divided by 4 divided by y power 3 into 1 by 2, 3 divided by 2. This is the answer. Okay, now the second sum, second subdivision. Simplify x power 2 minus 10x plus 25. Okay, so see here, now let us take this. This can be just the square root, right? So see here, how can we factorize this? 25. 5 is 25, minus into minus. So minus into minus plus, while adding this we get minus 10. Therefore, x minus 5 the whole square. This can be written as x minus 5 the whole square. Square root of, so square root can be written as x minus 5 the whole square, the whole power 1 divided by 2. So 2 into 1 divided by 2 it becomes 1. So the answer is modulus x minus 5. Okay, now let us see the second example. Example 2.32. Rationalize the denominator of root 5 divided by root 6 plus root 2. So in 10th standard you might have learnt about the imaginary roots and all. Otherwise we know that rationalization, that is see here a plus root a plus root b. Idoda conjugate enna? You might have learnt about conjugate, right? What's the conjugate of this? Adavadhu second idu irukilla adoda sign மட்டும் நம்ம change பண்ணோம். First will be as it is root a, இதோட sign என்ன plus, அதோட sign change பண்ணும்போது minus root b. This term is the conjugate of this term. See here, root 3 minus root 2. What will be the conjugate of this? First term should be written as it is, and the second term's sign should be changed, plus root 2. This is the conjugate of this. So rationalize பண்ணும்போது what you have to do is, they have asked us to rationalize the denominator. See, இது வந்து ஒரு rational number அதுல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So the denominator ஓட conjugate என்ன? root x minus root 2. So what you have to do is, you have to multiply this in both the numerator and denominator. Okay, see here, root x, so root 6 minus root 2 in the numerator and also in the denominator, root 6 minus root 2. This is how you have to rationalize a given number. Okay, இப்படி தான் rationalize பண்ணணும். So rationalize இல்லைனா simplifyன்னு கூட கேட்கலாம். Simplifyனா, see here in the denominator we are having some terms in irrational form. So அதை வந்து நம்ம மாற்றுறதுக்காக we can multiply numerator and denominator with conjugate, then we will be getting a real number in the denominator. Okay, for that also we can use this conjugate in the question, but here in the question also itself they have asked us to find rationalize the denominator in this rational number. Okay, so now shall I proceed? So what happened, this term should be multiplied with both these terms. Root 5 into root 6 is root 30, plus into minus minus. Root 5 into root 2 is root 10 divided by, see, this is in the format of a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. A square is root 6 the whole square minus root 2 the whole square. So this can be written as root 30 minus root 10 as it is divided by root 6 the whole square is, it becomes 6 minus 2. So the answer is root 30 minus root 10 divided by 4. This is the required answer. Now see the next sum, example 2.33. Find the square root of 7 minus 4 root 3. We have to find the square root of 7 minus 4. What is the square root of 7 minus 4 root 3? It should be written like this, square root of 7 minus 4 root 3. So this can be written as a plus b root 3. So it is in the format of this, like a plus b root 3. Okay, now see here, right hand side, so left hand side we are having square root and right hand side we don't have. Therefore what we are going to square on both sides. So after squaring what becomes, so இது வந்து எப்படி எழுதலாம், 7 minus 4 root 3 the whole power 1 divided 2 னு எழுதலாம் இந்த ஸ்கொயர் ரூட்டை. So squaring பண்ணும்போது again 1 by 2 into 2 it becomes 1, which is equal to, so this also becomes a plus b root 3 the whole square. So in the left hand side what we will be having, 7 minus 4 root 3 alone, which is equal to a plus b root 3 the whole square. So a plus b whole square, in that form we can change that, a square plus b square root 3 square is 3 b square plus 2ab root 3. Okay, so from this, see here, in the term equal, that is this term is having root 3, this term is also having root 3. In the term வந்து a square plus b 3b square, this a square plus 3b square can be equated to 7. right? A square plus 3b square can be equated to 7. And in this term, see here also we have root 3, there also we have root 3. Therefore, 2 into AB will be equal to minus 4. So, AB will be equal to minus 4 divided by 2, that is minus 2. A is equal to, bring this B this side, minus 2 divided by B. Okay, so already what we are having is A square plus 3 B square is equal to 7. So here we took the value A is equal to minus 2 divided by B. Substitute here, minus 2 the whole square is 4 divided by B square plus 3 B square is equal to 7. Now solve this. Taking B square as LCM, 4 plus 3 B power 4 is equal to 7. Bring this B square that side, it becomes 7b square. Bring this 7b square this side. The equation is 3b power 4 minus 7b square plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, now let us take b square as y. For our convenience, we are taking b square as y. Therefore, 3y b power 4. B square is y. B power 4 it becomes y square minus 7y plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, now shall we factorize this? 4 into 3 is 12. 4 3 is 12, but it should be minus 7 while adding, minus, so minus 7. While multiplying, minus into minus it becomes plus. 4 3 is 12. So here we have 3 divided by 3. So it is 1. Therefore, 3y minus 4 into y minus 1 equal to 0. What are the values? Y will be equal to 1 or 4 divided by 3. Okay, when y is equal to 1, b square will be equal to 1, then b is equal to plus or minus 1. And y is equal to 4 divided by 3, b square is equal to 4 divided by 3, then b will be equal to plus or minus, root 4 is 2 only, 2 divided by root 3. Okay, 2 divided by root 3. Okay, but what we have in the question, first itself what we have seen is b is the rational number. So this doesn't have a, see here this is a rational number. Okay, so what we have to, b is equal to plus or minus 1. This is irrational, right? So we are taking b is equal to plus or minus 1 alone. So when b is equal to plus or minus 1, b is equal to plus or minus 1, what will be the value of a? If b is equal to 1 means a's value will be minus 2. If b is equal to minus 1 means a value will be equal to 2. Okay, this is what we have to find, right? So, root of 7 minus 4 root 3 is equal to a plus b root 3, that is 2 minus 1 into root 3 is 2 minus root 3. Okay, so this is the answer, 2 minus root 3. Now let us see the exercise sum. Exercise 2.11. So first one, simplify. See the first subdivision, it is 125 the whole power 2 divided by 3. Whole power 2 divided by 3. So this can be changed as 125 whole power 1 divided by 3 the whole square. So this can be multiplied 2 divided by 3. See 125, what is 125? 125 is 5 cube, right? So 5 cube the whole power 1 by 3 the whole square. So this and this gets cancelled. The remaining is 5 square, which is 25. This is the answer. Now the second sum. 16 power minus 3 divided by 4. Okay, 16 power minus 3 divided by 4. So this can be written as 16 power 1 by 4 into minus 3. 1 by 4 into minus 3. Okay, so this 16 can be written as 2 power 4. 2 power 4 is 16. Therefore, 2 power 4, the whole power 1 by 4, the whole power minus 3. This and this gets cancelled. The remaining is 2 power minus 3. This can be written as 2 power minus 3 is 1 divided by 2 cube. That is 1 divided by 8. This is the answer. Okay, now the third subdivision. Minus 1000, the whole power minus 2 divided by 3. Okay, so this is equal to, this can be written as minus 1000 the whole power 1 divided by 3 the whole power minus 2. So I'll multiply, it becomes minus 2 divided by 3. Okay, see here, this can be written as minus 10 the whole cube, right? So the minus 1 the whole cube is minus 10 the whole cube is 1000. Right? Cube பண்ணும்போது negative sign என்ன ஆகும்? Negative ஆவே இருக்கும். So அதனால this can be written as minus 10 power 3 the whole power 1 by 3 the whole power minus 2. Okay, so what happens? This 3 and this 3 gets cancelled. The remaining is minus 10 the whole power minus 2. Okay, so since it is minus 2, 1 divided by minus 10 the whole square. So square பண்ணும்போது என்ன ஆயிரும்? ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா minus into minus it becomes plus, which is equal to 1 divided by 100. Okay, 10 square is 100. And now the fourth subdivision, 3 power minus 6 the whole power 1 divided by 3. Okay, now what we can divide this 1 and this is 2. The remaining is 3 power minus 2, which can be written as 1 divided by 3 square, which is equal to 1 divided by 9. And see the fifth subdivision, 27 the whole power minus 2 divided by 3 divided by, and again 27 the whole power minus 1 divided by 3. Okay, so let us take 27 as it is. See, the base is same. அதனால என்ன பண்ணிடலாம், இதை numerator கொண்டு போக plus 1 by 3 மாற்றிடலாம். 27 minus 2 divided by 3 it becomes plus 1 divided by 3. So will be equal to 27. இதில் பவரில் denominator வந்து same. So taking LCM 3 minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, right? So minus 1 divided by 3. Okay, minus 1 divided by 3. And see here, 27 is 3 cube. Yes, 27 is 3 cube. 3 cube the whole power minus 1 by 3. This and this gets cancelled. 3 power minus 1 is 1 divided by 3. 3 power minus 1 is 1 divided by 3. Okay. Okay, now let us see the second sum. So in the second sum they have asked us to evaluate 256 whole power minus 1 by 2 whole power minus 1 by 4 the whole cube. Okay, the whole cube. See, 256, 16 into 6 is 16 into 16. 6 1 is 6, 9, 16, 6, 5, 256, right? 16 square is 256. So this can be written as 16 square the whole power minus 1 by 2 the whole power minus 1 by 4 the whole cube. Now see here, this and this gets cancelled. Therefore 16 power minus 1 becomes, so what happens, 16 power minus 1, okay, the whole power minus 1 by 4 the whole cube. Okay, see, minus 1 into this one it becomes plus 1, so no need to change that. So 16 power 1 by 4, 16 power 1 by 4. See, 16 can be written as 2 power 4, 2 power 4 the whole power 1 by 4 the whole cube. This and this gets cancelled. Therefore 2 cubes equal to 8. So 8 is the answer. Okay, now the third sum. If, what they have given, x power 1 by 2 plus x power minus 1 by 2, the whole square is equal to 9 divided by 2. Find the value of x power 1 by 2 minus x power minus 1 by 2. We have to find the value of this. They have given x power 1 by 2 plus x power minus 1 by 2. The whole square is equal to 9 divided by 2. Okay, so how this can be written? So x power 1 by 2 is root x. So x power 1 by 2 is root x. It has given us, this can be written as 1 divided by x power 1 by 2. That is 1 divided by root x. The whole square is equal to 9 divided by 2. Okay, 9 divided by 2. And see here, now let us expand this. This becomes root x the whole square, a plus b the whole square. It is in the format of a plus b the whole square. Now let us expand this. A plus b the whole square means a square plus b square. Root x the whole square is x plus 1 by root x the whole square is 1 by x plus 2 into root x into 1 divided by root x, it becomes 2 alone. 9 divided by 2. 9 divided by 2. And see here, bring this to that side, minus 2. It becomes 9 minus 4, which is equal to 5 divided by 2. Therefore, x plus 1 by x is equal to 5 divided by 2. Now, what we have to find is, this can be written as root x minus 1 divided by root x. Right. Okay. Now let us find root x minus 1 divided by root x the whole square. So what is this? X plus 1 by x minus 2. Okay, minus 2, which is equal to, we already know x plus 1 by x is 5 divided by 2. 5 divided by 2, and this is minus 2, which is equal to 2. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 divided by 2. Right, root x minus 1 divided by root x, the whole square is 1 divided by 2. So what we have to find? We have to find this alone. Root x minus 1 divided by root x. For what you have to do? Taking square root on both sides. So it becomes equal to 1 divided by root 2 is the answer. 1 divided by root 2 is the answer. See the fourth sum, simplify and hence find the value of n. They have given some equation like rational equation like form. You have to find the value of that given value of n. Okay, you just simplify according to that, you will get the answer. The fourth sum is assignment for you. Now let us see this fifth sum. Find the radius of the spherical tank whose volume. So it is a spherical tank. So volume of the given sphere is 32 pi divided by 3 units. So we have to find the radius. So we know what's the volume of the sphere. Volume of the sphere is 4 divided by 3 pi r cube. Right? This is the volume of the sphere. This is equal to 32 pi divided by 3. See here in the denominator we have 3, we can cancel this, and we have pi, we can also cancel this. R square is equal, R cube is equal to 32, bring this 4 this side, divided by 4, which is equal to 9, sorry, it's 8, right? 8 4 is 32, 8. So, R cube is equal to 8 means 8 can be written as 2 cube. R cube is equal to 2 cube. See, the powers are same, therefore R is equal to 2 units. See here in your book they have given the volume in units, therefore you have to give the answer in units. If it is given in centimeter cube, you have to give the radius in 2 centimeter. If they have given in meter cube, you have to give the answer in 2 meter. Since in your book they have given in units, therefore we are taking it units. Okay, so the units also very important. If you didn't write the units, the marks will be reduced in your exam. So be careful in that. See the sixth sum. Simplify by rationalizing the denominator. So the sum we have seen in the example, right? Rationalizing the denominator. What we have to do? 7 plus root 6 divided by 3 minus root 2. So what we have to do? We have to find the conjugate of the denominator and we have to multiply in both the numerator and denominator with that conjugate. Okay, so what's the conjugate of this number 3 minus root 2? The conjugate is 3 plus root 2. Shall we multiply? 3 plus root 2 divided by 3 plus root 2. Is equal to what you have to do? You have to multiply this term with these two terms and again this term with these two terms. So you will be getting 4. Yes, you will be getting 4 new numbers, right? 7 into 3 is 21 plus 7 into root 2 is 7 root 2 plus 3 into root 2 is root 6 is 3 root 6 plus root 6 into root 2 is root 12. So root 12 can be written as 4 into 3. 4 can be written as 2 square. Therefore, this can be written as 2 into root 3 divided by, this is in the format of a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. A square is 3 square is 9 minus root 2 the whole square is 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. So, this is the answer. Okay, so this is the answer. The 7th sum. See, the 7th sum is a very big sum, right? This is the assignment for you. I will do one thing and I will show you. Okay, I will give you some hints. So, what you have to do is, see, they have given some 5 units. They have combined the whole inequality. I mean, they have given some simplification. So, what you have to do is, first let us take one part. It is let us take that into 5 parts. Kuduthirukka ovvoru division ovvoru part eduthukom. Let us take first one around 1 divided by 3 minus root 8. So what you are going to do is, you are going to multiply and divide by its conjugate. So its conjugate is 3 plus root 8. 3 plus root 8 divided by 3 plus root 8. So what's the answer? In the numerator it becomes 3 plus root 8 divided by 3 plus 8. Yes, it is 3 plus, sorry, it is 9 minus 8. So what's the answer? 3 plus root 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. And now let us take the next thing. Root 8 minus root 7. Again multiply with its conjugate root 8 plus root 7 divided by root 8 plus root 7. So in the numerator we will be getting root 8 plus root 7 divided by 8 minus 7. So answer is root 8 plus root 7. So likewise, over division go, take the 5 parts and you have to find the values like this. At last, see, they have combined it using addition and subtraction. Then combine the answers using addition and subtraction, you will be getting a single digit answer. Okay, so 7th sum is the assignment for this. Is how you have to do the assignment. Okay, this sum. Okay, I have given you it. Now, the last sum, 8th sum. Okay, so what they have given, if x is equal to root 2 plus root 3. What we have to find is, find x squared plus 1 divided by x squared minus 2. So for that, first let us find x square. So x square means root 2 plus root 3 the whole square, right? X square is equal to. So a square is root 2 the whole square is, this is in the format of a plus b the whole square. So a square is root 2 the whole square is 2 plus b square root 3 the whole square is 3 plus 2 into a into b. Root 2 into root 3 is root 6, which is equal to 5 plus 2 into root 6. This is x square. Now shall we substitute here? X square value is 5 plus 2 into root 6 plus 1, and in the denominator x square minus 2. 5 plus 2 into root x, root 6 minus 2. Okay, simplify that. 5 plus 1 is 6 plus 2 into root 6 divided by 5 minus 2 is 3 plus 2 into root 6. Okay, see here we can't leave like this because in both also we are having some irrational number. So for this, for changing this, what we have to do? We have to multiply the both numerator and denominator with the conjugate of this element. What's the conjugate? 3 minus 2 into root 6 divided by 3 minus 2 into root 6. Okay, 6 into 3 is 18. 6 into minus 2 is minus 12 root 6 and this term. 3 into 2 is 6 root 6 and here plus into minus minus 2 into 2 4 root 6 into root 6 6 6 4 is 24 divided by, see here, a plus b into a minus b formula. A square is 9 minus 2 root 6 the whole square. It is 2 square is 4 into root 6 the whole square is 6. 6 4 is 24. Okay, 24. And it is equal to, see, 18 minus 24 is minus 6, right? Minus 6 and here minus 12 root x root 6 plus 6 root 6. So it becomes minus 6 root 6. Minus 6 root 6 divided by, in the down also what is the 9 minus 24 is minus 15, right? Yes, it is minus 15. So numerator, take the minus outside and 6 outside. Minus 6 is 1 plus root 6 divided by minus 15. Minus and minus gets cancelled. See, 3 2 is 6, 3 5 is 15. Therefore answer is 2 into 1 plus root 6 divided by 5. This is the answer. Okay, with this we are completing this exercise. I have given 2 sums, 4th sum and 7th sum as the assignment. Complete the assignment properly. With this we can end this video. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you, students.